In today's video, we're going to show you how to replace the display of the Vivo Y16 step by step, just like a professional technician. If your Vivo Y16 screen is cracked, broken, or not responding to touch, don't worry, by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to fix it at home or in your repair shop. We'll go slowly through every step, from cleaning the back cover, disconnecting the battery, removing the damaged display, cleaning the frame, installing the new screen, and finally testing everything before closing up the phone. So make sure to watch this video till the end, and if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more detailed mobile repair tutorials.